Hello and welcome to News 18 Showsha's Luv Hua. I am Chirag Sehgal and joining me today is actress Priya Ahuja with her director husband Malav. Thank you so much guys for joining us. How are you?
Amazing.
Perfectly good.
But to begin with, I want to know what was your Luv Hua moment?
Malav will explain better.
No, you say. For me, it was love at first sight. I mean, I was doing Taarak. She was doing before me, and उसका comeback था Taarak में. So she had come back. We were doing GPL, and I saw her for the first time. I remember she was wearing a black dress, and I instantly fell in love with her. So yeah, for me, it was love at first sight, and I'm glad after 14 years we are still together.
But was it love at first sight for you too?
Yeah.
The moment I saw his bank balance, I was like, oh baby, I'm in love.
Oh, that time you were earning more than me. She was earning way more than me when we met. So yeah.
Okay, no. When I saw him, of course, my first impression of Malav was he was talking to Munmun that time. I mean, when I looked at him, I was like, okay. So Jenny told me he's our new associate director.
Yeah.
And I thought he's too good looking to be a director. Like, in television, you don't get to see like well-built, good-looking directors. Like, he was like in very good shape and all. So I looked at him and I was like, maybe he's one of those directors जिन्हें actor बनना होता है और to learn better about their craft and all, they become directors. So I thought he's one of those.
Yeah.
But gradually I got to know कि I mean director ही है.
But we had in another episode we had similar actress director couple in which they mentioned कि like people may think it's easy because they're working together and everything, but it also becomes difficult because you never know how people on sets might perceive it. Ki actor and director together. Was that thought when you had just started dating? Was that thought ever cross your mind?
Honestly, it never crossed my mind. मतलब मैंने कभी ये नहीं सोचा था कि I'm doing the show, I'm dating this actor on the show. So that never crossed my mind. I don't think it crossed yours, did it?
No. I mean, it was very organic because Malav and I, we first became very good friends.
Yeah, so we've not, I mean, I have not, or we have not officially proposed to each other ever. Like, we've not said, oh, I love you, do you love me too? So ऐसा हमारे बीच कभी हुआ नहीं है. It started as a friendship and touchwood after 12 years of marriage life. We are still friends, we are still friends. So अब तक किसी ने एक दूसरे को propose नहीं किया as such.
अब तो क्या ही करेंगे?
But शादी के लिए किसने propose किया था फिर?
Okay, so it's a very nice story. Before that, I'll answer your previous question. So the thing was, we were very good friends. Like we became like kind of best of friends on set. खाना साथ में है, घूमना साथ में, बातें साथ में करनी है. तो Malav, मैं, Jennifer.
Not during shoot, not during shoot.
Yeah, of course, during the breaks and all. So Malav, मैं, Jennifer, उनके husband मयूर, मंदार और उनकी वाइफ स्नेहल, हम लोगों का एक ग्रुप बन गया था. So हम लोग जहाँ भी हमें मौका लगता था साथ में घूमना फिरना, बाहर जाना, डिनर्स पे जाना, हम लोग बहुत हैंग आउट साथ में करते थे. So a lot of people on set started believing that we are dating. और जेनिफर ने हमारी लाइफ में क्यूपिड का काम किया है. वो हम दोनों को बताती थी that how good we will be together. And she always had this thing कि like मैं really देखना चाहती हूँ कि मैं इतनी फटाकड़ी सी हूँ और हमेशा हंसती खेलती रहती हूँ. And Malav is such a not a brat but like a prankster and so she always wanted to see कि जब हमारा बच्चा होगा तो कैसा होगा. And now she knows. And now she knows हमने क्या निकाला है. What we have created.
But like you mentioned, people on sets had started speculating that something's going on between the two. So initially, did you hide that from everybody on sets? Or you let it be that we are dating, that's fine?
But we were not even dating for a very long time on this set. Like, when I fell in love with her for the first time, uske baad to I think we didn't even speak for like properly for 5 to 6 months. So like she said, it was a very organic growth. Even we didn't know that we were dating. Like, how when we are very good friends. So we always thought that we are very good friends. Then when it turned into love now, हमको पता ही नहीं चला कब हुआ.
But like I asked, शादी के लिए किसने propose किया?
So the thing is that he told my mother कि he likes me and he wants to marry me.
Oh, he didn't tell you?
No.
The first time I met her mom, the first time.
Yeah. And then I thought कि मुझे ना सिर्फ यही झेल सकता है. And I was so right. I was so right about it.
Yeah. But like you mentioned कि he told your mom. ऐसा नहीं लगा यार ये बंदा मुझे तो आके बता नहीं रहा. He's telling my mom that I want to marry your daughter.
मैं बहुत खुश थी कि अभी से मुझसे इतना डरता ही नहीं बता रहा. पूरी लाइफ बड़े प्यार से कटने वाली है.
हाँ. But I mean, you were an actress on the show. You were directing the same show. Now actors have to come in, go. Matlab, there's no specific time. Rather, this is what my understanding is. Ki director has to be there almost all the time. When she wasn't on sets, when you were also shooting, how did you guys make that balance कि हाँ दूसरे को भी हम equally time दे सकें?
So तारक में प्रिया का रोल बहुत मतलब इतना मतलब she wasn't shooting like 15-20 days a month, you know. She used to shoot
like 10-12 days ही
10-12 days initially, फिर after pregnancy और थोड़ा कम हुआ. So we always had that time to spend at home. और घर पे हम कभी तारक की बातें करते नहीं थे. And also because she knew everyone in the team, like she knew all the actors. So that way it was a very nice atmosphere. Even when she used to shoot on the sets, तो people हमारी टांग भी खींचते थे, but in a fun way, you know. Nobody was ever negative about us or.
So there have been days जहाँ पे मालव ज़्यादा continuously shoot कर रहा है, तो जब तक अरदास नहीं था, मेरे ओरियो कैंडी, मेरे 2 dogs थे, मैं उनको लेके फिल्म सिटी के सेट पे पहुँच जाती थी, थोड़ा टाइम स्पेंड कर लिया, घर आ गए. After अरदास was born, मैं अरदास को लेके चली जाती थी, you know. And set पे कभी ऐसा like genuinely on set तारक was always family. Like जो भी off production
the actors, the technicians, we all were like a big family. So Ardas, you will not believe, used to come on my sets. वो 2 घंटा कहाँ होता था मुझे पता ही नहीं था, क्योंकि वो यूनिट वालों के साथ घूमता रहता था, एक्टर्स के साथ घूमता था, तो he used to be so comfortable on the set. So he used to get so much love on the set from everyone. So that was very lovely. That was really very nice of the show, I would say.
But like Priya, you mentioned कि you were shooting for 10-12 days a month for the show. Now obviously you guys know each other much better. But when you guys had started to date, तब ऐसे लगता था यार he's the director, why can't he give me more screen time? Because you have also expressed disappointment in the past कि you're shooting for this much.
No, never. Till date, whatever projects Malav have, like you know, he has done, I've never asked him कि ये production में मेरे लिए बात कर ले, या forget only तारक के अलावा भी उसने बीच में पापड़ पोल भी डायरेक्ट किया था, then अम्मा जी की गली किया था, then after that he came back in तारक, again after this he did पापड़ पोल, sorry, which was Professor पांडे के 5 परिवार. Never ever I asked him कि please मेरे लिए बात कर लेना. Like you know, in fact I feel embarrassed अगर मुझे सामने से कोई बोले कि like you know Malav is doing this show and अभी प्रोफेसर पांडे में ही हुआ था ऑडिशन की बात, एंड आई वाज नॉट वेरी कंफर्टेबल, यू नो, क्योंकि आप कितना भी डिस्टेंस बना के रखो, आप कितना भी उसको प्रोफेशनल रखो, आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस दिस होल थिंग इन तारक दैट लोग कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ बातें बना ही देते हैं या उनके लिए इश्यूज बन जाते हैं. बट यार टिल डेट तारक मेहता में स्पेसिफिकली फॉरगेट कि मैं इसको बोलूँ, मैंने कभी ये भी नहीं बोला कि प्रोड्यूसर से तो छोड़ो कि राइटर्स से बात कर लेना, तुम उन्हें जानते हो, कभी नहीं किया, बिकॉज वो मेरा प्रोफेशन है, वो मेरा काम है. जब मैं मालव से मिली, मैं ऑलरेडी तारक का हिस्सा थी, मालव मुझे शो में लेकर नहीं आया, सो दिस इज नॉट हिज रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कि मेरा ट्रैक कितना चलेगा. सो आई ऑलवेज लीव सर्टेन थिंग्स ऑन लक एंड माई हार्ड वर्क, एंड रेस्ट इज प्रोड्यूसर्स कॉल, वी कांट डू मच अबाउट इट. येस, आई एम डिसअपॉइंटेड कि पहले डेफिनेटली ट्रैक बहुत अच्छा था. मुझे पर्सनली हमेशा ऐसा लगा है कि क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं उनके दिमाग में ऐसा आ गया था कि मैं डायरेक्टर्स वाइफ हूँ, और यू नो आई फेल्ट दैट दे हैव अवॉइडेड मी. आई हैव टोल्ड हिम एज एन आर्टिस्ट कि सर आई फील के यू नो आई वांट टू बी मोर विजिबल इन द शो, बट आई हैव नेवर आस्क्ड हिम कि मैं डायरेक्टर की बीवी हूँ, थोड़ा आप देख लेना, या आई हैव नेवर आस्क्ड हिम कि भाई देख ले, तू बात कर ले. दैट हैज नेवर हैपेंड, एंड दैट विल नेवर हैपन इन फ्यूचर एज वेल.
As far as somebody say single, it's like dealing with negativity is one thing, but when you guys are a couple, I'm sure like she mentioned negativity बहुत होती थी, people used to say certain things वगैरह. For each other, did you ever think यार if this is coming from, like if there's negativity for say Priya, Malav, did you ever think कि यार my partner has to deal with this, or did you think my partner is also facing this now?
Okay, so honestly ये चीज़ बताती हूँ जो मैंने अभी तक एक्सपीरियंस की है, at least I'm going by the face value. तारक में there was nobody negative for me, from production to the actors team and everybody, technicians, everybody. Not only because of course I was his wife, everybody was fond of Malav as well, but I also had a very beautiful rapport with all the artists. So नेवर फेस्ड इट लाइक इनफैक्ट मैं मंदार के साथ तारक मेहता के पहले काम कर चुकी थी, मैं चंपक लाल जो अमित भट्ट हैं उनके साथ पहले काम कर चुकी थी, मैं दिलीप सर के साथ पहले काम कर चुकी थी, मैं इन लोगों को जानती थी। कोइंसिडेंटली जेनिफर के हस्बैंड जो है रियल लाइफ हस्बैंड मयूर, मैं उनके साथ भी पहले काम कर चुकी थी। तो मैंने तारक के पहले काफ़ी काम किया था और मैं कुछ कुछ लोगों को जानती थी। सो आई हैड अ लिटिल रैपो जो लाइक यू नो आगे ग्रेजुअली बहुत ब्यूटीफुल ही बना है सबके साथ में। और मतलब जेन्युइनली मालव के लिए तो एवरीवन वाज लाइक क्रेजी फॉर मालव ऑन सेट। शो में मेरा ट्रैक कम होना किसी एक्टर या किसी प्रोडक्शन वाले के हाथ की कहानी नहीं है, ना ही राइटर्स का इसमें कोई से होता है। कुछ चीज़ें होती गई, चीज़ें बनती गई कि वो ऐसा पूरा हो गया, बट आई डोंट थिंक सो हमने कहीं पे भी नेगेटिविटी हमने नहीं फेस की। इनफैक्ट देयर हैव बीन इश्यूज, कभी कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि मालव का ऑन सेट किसी एक्टर के साथ कुछ ऊपर नीचे हुआ हो, लाइक यू नो बिकॉज ही इज अ डायरेक्टर, ही टेल समबडी के आप ऐसा कर लीजिए, ये कर लीजिए, या जो भी उनके सर्टेन इश्यूज रहे हों। बट सामने से कभी किसी ने मुझे कोल्ड वाइब्स नहीं दिए और मैंने कभी किसी को कोल्ड वाइब्स नहीं दिए, क्योंकि हमारे बीच में ये एक बहुत अनसेड चीज थी प्रोफेशनली।
We don't even discuss it. Like, we don't even discuss
कि
it.
वो उसका रिलेशन है पर्टिकुलर एक्टर के साथ, अगर उसकी ऑन सेट किसी चीज को लेके किसी एक्टर के साथ में अनबन हुई है, वो मेरी नहीं हुई है। सो दैट इज नॉट गोइंग टू इफेक्ट मी एज एन आर्टिस्ट, बिकॉज एज आई सेड मैं शो में पहले से थी, मैं लोगों को जानती थी और एक मेरा पर्सनल रिलेशन भी था। तो क्योंकि
there have been instances when I am not, you know, I'm not on talking terms, say with a few actors for a couple of months. That time she's been talking to them क्योंकि वो मेरा professional issue है. So even I got nothing personal against the actor. It is a professional difference.
Even they have been like really sweet and nice to me.
But 12 years of marriage now, are you guys still more like as romantic as you were 12 साल पहले?
We would like to believe so. Yeah, definitely.
No, yes we are. Of course, अरदास अब हमें उतनी space नहीं देता. So we get very, very tired by the end of the day running behind him. You have seen his energy, right? So
we decide to go out for dinners in the night, but you know, by the time Ardas goes to sleep, we are so tired.
so
कि we're
tired,
like, यार
like,
नहीं यार खिचड़ी बना लो घर पे खा लो and just सो जाओ. So yeah.
Yeah, but yes, we are still romantic. We still miss each other. When we go out, even for like, you know, entire day, if I'm shooting, he'll text me love yous and missing yous and all those things. I recently went to Kota for an event. Khawf dekho, khawf abhi tak hai.
But like 12 years is a long journey. Unfortunately, we see a lot of marriages don't last very long today. Setting an example, what do like people often ask what was the mantra for a successful marriage? Do you think that there is any mantra or it's just you go with the flow?
Definitely you need to go with the flow, but I think friendship is the mantra. क्योंकि हम जिनके साथ दोस्त होते हैं ना, हम उनकी अच्छी बुरी हर बातें बहुत जल्दी से एक्सेप्ट कर लेते हैं। जहाँ हम एक्सपेक्टेशंस बहुत ज़्यादा रखते हैं, वहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम्स आने लगती हैं। So the best part about our
I think
relationship
just accept your partner like they are, because you fell in love with the same person. So you know, then after marriage you should not want to change them. So because you fell in love with the same person before
I
marriage
try to
also.
change him. कि टॉवल मत फेंको, चीजें जगह पे रखो,
So I have not
रोज
changed.
नहा लो।
So I have still not changed. So yeah, basically, like she rightly said, it's the friendship. Like, you know, if you're a very, very good friends ना,
तो कितनी भी लड़ाई हो ना, by the end of the day ना आपको पता है कि ये मेरा बैकअप है। ये
and
बंदा
also
जो
you
है,
don't need other friends to insult each other. You know, we are there for each other. We insult each other. We love each other. So
insult each
we
other.
crazily troll each other for everything.
Yeah, for everything. For
मतलब एक
everything.
गलती हो गई और वो पिन पॉइंट हो गए, then वो इतने ताने इतने ये, so that
Not
is-
in the negative way,
Yeah.
but yeah,
The fun
like
zone.
how we
Fun.
friends like pull each
Yes.
other's legs, like you know, college friends होते हैं कि
हाँ.
किसी ने एक गलती की और फिर उसकी बैंड बजनी है.
That is
So
what
that's
Malav, I mean both of you do.
both
that.
of
Yeah,
us, both
completely.
of us.
But was there any time when you also faced ups and downs in this relationship?
Definitely. I mean, I think every relationship goes through its ups and downs. Even we did. It could be because of my work. कभी-कभी क्या होता था, मेरा work का frustration घर पे आ जाता है. You don't realize it, you know, when you had a very hard day at shoot, you know, when you have to give your telecast and, you know, things have not been the way you wanted it to. तो कभी-कभी that, because television is a lot of pressure, you know, it's a lot of pressure, whether you're feeling well, unwell. So there have definitely been ups and downs in a relationship, and I think that's how it should be. Like, you know, कोई भी ऐसा, even with our parents for that matter, or our siblings, you know, it's never all rosy, you know, we have arguments with our parents also, with our siblings also. But end of the day, we love each other. So, we just sorted out. We have one mantra in life, ke come what may.
Yeah.
We have to hug each other and sleep in the night. अगर कुछ भी झगड़ा हुआ या अनबन हुई, so we in the night we make up and we always we like let's end it. तो कभी-कभी ऐसा भी हम लोग 4-4 रात सोए नहीं है.
सोए नहीं है, he meant के जब तक बात नहीं होगी तब तक सोएंगे नहीं, तो 4 रात सॉर्ट आउट नहीं हुआ. No. Of course ups and downs सबकी लाइफ में आते हैं, हमारी भी आए हैं. But the best part is कि जब उसकी लाइफ में वो frustration घर आने लगा, I actually asked him कि Malav, now this is affecting us, and I love us. Like, our relationship, our bond, the masti we do, the way we both are crackpots completely. When it started coming home, I told him that now you really need to
stay
get
at home.
out.
You don't go.
Yeah, you better stay at home and don't get things from outside, the negativity from outside. And then he realized that how his work life is affecting him as a person, and he chose to get out of that place and do rest of the things. And now he's doing.
But you work in front of the camera, you work behind it. We see you posting a lot of reels and photographs, videos on social media. Is Malav a camera shy person, or are you comfortable in front of it?
I am a little camera shy unless you want to make me do something other than comedy. If you make me do something funny, I love doing funny reels. Some reels are very, very funny on Instagram. And even me and Priya do a lot of funny reels. So when she makes me reels, where I'm supposed to dance or do something else, like, ये सब मेरे से नहीं होगा. कुछ funny है तो मुझे करा ले. That I can do. So I'm not that much into it, but I do love, कभी-कभी आप reels देखते-देखते, आपका इतना time चला जाता है, you don't even realize it. So I would not say I'm addicted to it, but I'm not even anti-Insta. I'm very neutral about it.
Last year, you guys got married twice again. Whose idea was it?
खर्चे वाले सारे आइडिया इसी के होते हैं. मैं खर्चे करने के आइडिया नहीं लाता हूँ गुजराती.
Yeah, it was my idea. Actually, जब हमारी पहली बार शादी हुई तब
पहली बार मतलब
जब हमारी जेन्युइन वाली शादी हुई थी, तो ये भी जेन्युइन ही थी, प्रॉपर्ली की थी. Anyway, so जब हमारी शादी हुई थी तो मैं टिपिकल दिल्ली की पंजाबन, ये गुजराती, तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें मिक्स हो रही थी. और हुआ क्या था, इसके घर पे भी इसकी मॉम गुजराती, पापा कच्ची, तो उनके 2 कल्चर और हमारा पंजाबी कल्चर. इतनी खिचड़ी बनी थी कि हम लोग ना हमारी शादी इंजॉय नहीं कर पाए थे. जो एक मतलब ऑफ कोर्स हमने बहुत एंजॉय किया था,
trying to keep all the relatives happy, which we realized is
more than
impossible.
parents, we were trying to keep all the relatives happy. के like for example, गुजरातीज में सफेद कलर की साड़ी पहनते हैं और हमारे यहाँ that is just not possible in Punjabis. So उस बात पे इशू होना कि पंजाबीज लाइक अरे ऐसे कैसे लड़की सफेद साड़ी पहनेगी, एंड दे वर लाइक कैसे कैसे पानीतर नहीं पहनेगी.
कोई फर्क नहीं,
हमें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा था. हमें
शॉर्ट्स में करा लो यार, फेरे यार.
हमें लग रहा था यार शादी हो रही है, बस करा लो. वी वर तो ओके विद कोर्ट मैरिज आल्सो. एनीवे, सो उतना हम एंजॉय नहीं कर पाए थे. और दूसरा कोविड हुआ था. I was going
to... We had planned in our 10th anniversary we'll go for a nice trip abroad. Like बहुत अच्छी सी ट्रिप करेंगे.
फिर कोविड हो गया,
कोविड की वजह से भी couldn't do it.
we could not go, and even Ari was there. So कोविड हुआ, उसकी वजह से ट्रैवलिंग में बहुत सारे रिस्ट्रिक्शंस थे. एंड उस फेज में मैं बहुत सीवियर डिप्रेशन से मैंने गो थ्रू किया था. एंड आई जस्ट वांटेड टू बी हैप्पी. मुझे सेलिब्रेट करना था, मुझे ट्रैवल करना था, पर हम वो नहीं कर पा रहे थे. तो व्हाट वी डिसाइडेड वाज के एक शादी का किस्सा हो चुका है कि वी कुड नॉट एंजॉय मच. ये मैंने डिप्रेशन फेस किया था. अरदास से हमारे 80 to 90% जो हमारे फ्रेंड्स थे, रिलेटिव्स थे, कोई मिला नहीं था. सो वी थॉट दिस इज द टाइम, वी आर गोइंग टू सेलिब्रेट. सब अरदास को मिलेंगे, हम नाचेंगे, गाएंगे और हम वो करेंगे, उस तरीके से करेंगे जो हमें करना था.
We had a blast. We had a complete blast.
But what was your reaction when she said कि चलो let's get married again?
खर्चा.
I'm like खर्चा कितना होगा, तो कितना खर्चा होगा?
वो सिर्फ खर्चा देखा.
So I was not. I'm like यार प्रिया 10 साल में कौन करता है यार? बहुत मतलब it might look very stupid यार. Who does it? Like no, I want to do it.
So my funda was कि अब देख कोविड हुआ है, which I realized during COVID. कि कितने सारे लोग हमारी फैमिली में से भी नोन पीपल हैं, फ्रेंड्स हैं, who left the world. And I was like, what if you think that we'll celebrate our 25th anniversary? What if either you or I, we aren't there? किसके साथ celebrate करोगे? You'll regret. So let's do it right now. What we want to do.
Yeah.
जब 25 हो जाएंगे साथ में, तब फिर से कर लेंगे.
But after doing it, I must admit it was a beautiful thought, and the love we got, you know, the same. And we were so happy that the entire team of Taarak, who had come in our first marriage, everyone had come in the second marriage also. And you know, it was like proper fairas, ye, wo, sab. It was beautiful. So I was really glad, you know, I agreed to what she had planned there.
Yeah.
पता है बहुत लोगों ने आई हैव हर्ड के कुछ लोगों ने बोला भी कि फालतू में कर लिया, लाइक कौन ऐसे करता है, बट आई नेवर केयर अबाउट ऑल दोज थिंग्स. आई ऑलवेज केयर व्हाट आई वांट. व्हाट इफ बाय लाइक यू नो आफ्टर 2-3 years something happens to me, or by 20th anniversary, 25th anniversary something happens to either of us, and maybe God forbidden we are not together, at least we are celebrating those 10 years we have survived with each other.
तो डबल खर्चे का दुख होगा.
We have jailoed each other. So we were celebrating that.
Yeah. Before we wrap up, we have a small game for you. It's never have I ever, but couple version. Can we get the shot glasses, please? First is written a love letter to your partner.
No.
You have.
Not to you, not to you.
I know.
Any,
You have.
to you?
Yes.
I'm a very
But
romantic.
this is more interesting, not to you.
That's there. That's there. तुझे love letter मिला था तेरी ex से. That is different. But you have.
But that was a breakup letter. That was
No,
a love
remember
letter.
that CCD case पे I still have that.
Oh, yeah. Yes, yeah, I had it. I had it.
Yeah.
Like, you not written to me, na? You didn't have it.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
I didn't have.
Bought an unexpected gift for your partner.
Yeah, a lot of times.
Always.
But even you
always.
have that
Yeah,
stuff.
yeah. I'm very romantic.
So both of you are equally romantic.
Yes.
Planned a surprise date.
He has never done that. I can have like so many
You
have
have?
planned. So many
Surprise
times.
date, not surprise gifts.
No dates. Who took you to that place and the boat thing?
Okay, have na. You have first.
The dinner, your birthday
Okay,
dinner.
yeah. Well, those are-
That wine wala.
Okay, yes. Have 4-5.
So I know I can have this entire thing for the dates. Yes, I have.
Yeah.
Before Ardas, I have done so much. After Ardas,
Even I have done, but I just get caught na. Why? Remember, मैंने वो घोड़ा गाड़ी किया था decorate light से.
That was a rubbish idea because
Okay,
I
first
hate
you have this. चलो. Next
But
question.
what was
Come on.
that idea?
Nothing. So I had taken her for a nice dinner somewhere, and नीचे मैंने पता है वो नरीमन पॉइंट पे वो पूरा घोड़ा गाड़ी विक्टर का जैसा होता है.
Yeah.
मैंने पूरा उसको lit up करवाया था, ये करवाया था, and you know we were just sitting there, and there was a glass का thing where you could see outside. So she was seeing all those horse rides and everything. She's like, this is so much cruelty to animals. You know, I hate when people do this. I'm like, hey भगवान, इसको पता नहीं, इसके बाद इसको उसी में जाके बैठना है. तो नीचे रुका था डेकोरेट होके लाइट वाइट करके. And then I didn't know how to even tell her to go and sit
ले
inside.
तू पी ले
नहीं नहीं ठीक है.
पी ले.
So I had done that. वो पूरा घोड़ा गाड़ी रेडी किया था मैंने, and she like this is so much cruelty to animals. I
Yeah.
hate this.
It is.
So and then we went in that and हम दोनों मुंह लटका के बैठे थे, and so yeah, that surprise went wrong. So
Dance to no music.
I can do that. He can't.
But
Do
have you
that,
guys
no,
done
have
it
you done
together?
Yeah, I
no,
have.
I have not done it.
I have.
I have not done it together with you.
Yeah, not with me. No, we have.
No, ना तो पीना तो पी ले, ऐसे ही मत बोल.
यार एक तो इतने साल हो गए ना, आधी बातें याद भी नहीं है.
Went on a double date.
Which is what is that?
Like you two together and
Yeah, of
Another
course,
couple.
of course. ये तो बहुत like yeah.
with friends you mean ना?
Yeah.
हाँ yeah.
and the lastly had a pillow fight.
Oh, all kind of fights. yeah.
I become John Cena when we fight. I throw on the pillow. So I've been a big WWE fan since childhood. So
Yeah.
do all the moves on her. So
He used to do that.
But thank you so much guys for joining us. It was lovely talking to you. All the very best.
Thank you so
thank
much.
you
Thank
so
you
much.
so much.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Malav Rajda.
Hi, I'm Priya Ahuja Rajda, and you guys are watching us on News 18 Showsha Luv Hua.
Like, share, subscribe.
Yes, please.
You were supposed to say it.